Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to fix lenses not working in Snapchat. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. You should see the camera screen with the capture button at the bottom. Step 2. Click on your Snap profile photo at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your Snap score, your trophies, and your settings. Step 3. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the settings menu, where you can adjust your preferences, privacy, and account details. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on the option that says Lenses. This will take you to a page where you can see all the lenses that are available for you to use, as well as the ones that you have recently used or favorited. Step 5. Tap on the option that says Clear all lens data. This will delete all the data that Snapchat has stored on your phone related to lenses, such as cache, downloads, and preferences. This will free up some space on your phone and also reset the lenses to their default settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.